Have you ever considered how to keep consistency in the quality when you are manufacturing goods overseas? We are taking you today to a tour to visit different suppliers with my sourcing team. We'll be meeting different factories, doing quality control, and I will be personally attending to a final inspection just before the good will be shipped to Europe. This is a must-watch video if you are looking to manufacture and to source goods in an emerging market just like Vietnam. Let's get into it. So we take you behind the scene and show you exactly how to vet, conduct quality and product inspection, ensuring every step of your production process. So before we get into the topic of this video, we are moved to Asia, your go-to sourcing agency in Vietnam. We can act as your buying office in the country and support your entire production needs, from finding the right supplier, doing due diligence on your behalf, organizing factory tour, ensuring the entire production process with quality control. We also provide warehousing for mixed container consolidation and have a network of logistic partners to ship your goods to any destination in the world. So as introduced earlier, you get some behind the scenes of what we're gonna do today. Ashley is currently visiting a shoes factory for due diligence. We have an ongoing order in the mid-production, so she'll be also attending with our QC for furniture check, and I will be personally doing a final inspection. So this first meeting today, Ashley is visiting a shoes factory, and since Vietnam is a key market for shoes and footwear manufacturing, we are shortlisting and vetting new suppliers for our clients. The objective of today is to vet this factory by reviewing their past work, examining their production line, and meeting with the CEO to discuss our client needs. So choosing the right supplier is actually the first step of any project, as we understand that great products start with quality raw material, expertise and know-how. From the first moment we walk through the showroom, visit the production line and engage discussions with key representatives, we can get a good sense of the supplier's capabilities and references. Through such a pre-production inspection, we can vet new suppliers and provide our clients with transparent outlook and recommendations. With our buying office services acting on the behalf of our client, purchasing products and ensuring quality, we continuously meet new suppliers across different verticals to enrich our portfolio of reliable contacts and eliminate those that are not meeting with our criteria. And actually, for any project, we prefer to work with professional suppliers who uphold strong ethics and consistently deliver on their commitments. By doing so, you ensure that each new supplier has a crystal clear understanding of your product's technical specification and is equipped with the necessary tools to do the job. The main goal of such due diligence is to get it right the first time, eliminating guesswork and preventing costly mistakes down the line. Pre-production checks are essentially helpful for unique and complex products, ensuring everything is done exactly as you want. But for simpler products, checking only during the production might be sufficient. In summary, Ashley's meeting went well and we identify a great factory that we may be able to work with, offering competitive pricing and open to negotiate minimum order quantities. It's obvious that finding the right supplier from the beginning will ensure success of your manufacturing journey. Nevertheless, we believe in checking the quality of the product through the entire manufacturing process, not just at the beginning or the end. This helps identify any potential problems early on, save time and money. After this first meeting, Ashley went directly to meet up with our quality control team at a wooden factory that we are currently having project. We are in the middle of the production for one of our US client manufacturing premium furniture. We reviewed some of the latest items and received feedback from our quality control team to ensure everything is on track. Usually, once the first batch of product is launched, careful monitoring of the factory's output is essential to ensure nothing is missed or imperfect. We carefully check everything from measurements and finishing to the overall structure and appearance. If anything doesn't meet with the product sample that we are having and the expectations of our client, we work with the factory to correct it immediately, preventing delays and extra costs. Having someone present at the factory every day during mass production allows you to keep track of the progress. Another important reason to monitor the entire production, especially for furniture, is to prevent the substitution of agreed materials with cheaper alternatives. By being at the factory daily and auditing everything coming out of the production line, we can ensure that the furniture is made exactly as agreed. Additionally, suppliers might prioritize some clients over others, so daily visits help ensure your order is prioritized, keeping it on schedule. At Move to Asia, our philosophy is not just about ticking boxes, we are dedicated to looking out for you, acting as your buying office and defending your interest if anything goes wrong. We use our expertise to spot problems before they escalate, giving you the peace of mind knowing your wood furniture is being made with the highest care and attention to detail. So now you are aware about some of the due diligence that you must do pre-production, as well as the quality control that you have to do during the production. Let's now move to the last step, that is actually controlling your goods just before they are shipped overseas. And this final inspection is a must-have step just to make sure that before shipping your goods are well packaged and fit with your requirements. We are right now as one of our Lepironia grass straw partner that are doing manufacturing and processing the grass straw. We have this shipment that is about to be shipped to Europe, and I'm doing the final check just before the logistic partner will come to pick the product. So for any type of products that we consider manufacturing in Vietnam in any product categories, we highly encourage our client to take and to consider having a final inspection on the good once 80% of the products are packed and ready to be shipped. We will open a few random boxes and take a close look at the product inside. We check everything, how many they are, how well they are made, if they work as they should, and if they are strong enough. And we will look for defects. This final check helps to prevent any surprises when clients receive their orders. So now you are aware about some of the most important product inspection, due diligence and quality control that you must do. You may consider doing them yourself, especially if you are a small entrant or an SME. Let's now discuss about some of the challenges that you may encounter along the way. And here is some of the potential pitfalls that you may encounter. First, you have the language barrier, and talking to Vietnamese suppliers and understanding their way of doing business isn't always easy. You may miss important details or misunderstand each other, which can lead to problems down the road. Second important aspect is the technical parts. Checking product quality needs special skills, especially for different kinds of products. If you don't have the expertise, you may not catch important issues. Third important thing is building relationships. In Vietnam, relationships are key, and if you don't know how to build trust with supplier, it can be hard to get everything done smoothly and solve problems when they arise. Fourth and last challenge is time and resources. Doing quality check yourself can take a lot of time and effort. You need to plan inspections, handle shipping, and deal with unexpected issues which can lead and distract you from running your business. Now, if you want to save time and cut costs, you do have online platform and freelance network offering some solution, but they often lack of the local expertise and industry connection needed to truly guarantee the quality. So how can you be sure that the quality of your product is the priority? You can actually work with some sourcing agents that are providing the whole scope of services for finding the right supplier, doing due diligence on your behalf, but also ensuring the quality control matters to avoid pitfall and streamline your entire production process. Here are some of the advantages that you have in hiring a local Vietnamese-based sourcing agent. They will be able to offer industry knowledge of local business practices and language nuances and clear inspections. They may also have a network of specialists in different fields that they can rely on to hire consultants by project to ensure quality control and inspections. So as you've seen, ensuring the quality of your product sourced from Vietnam isn't a one and done deal. It's a continuously process that requires expertise, dedication, and a deep understanding of local manufacturing practices. So that's why we've shared our insider knowledge on how to effectively implement due diligence, quality control, and inspections at each stage of your sourcing project in Vietnam. Hope you now get the know-how on how to effectively ensure the quality of your products made in Vietnam. If you want to learn more about our product and services, you find below in the description more detail about Move to Asia. If you have any question, any matters you would like to discuss about, you can also go below in the comment section. Drop us your question and we'll answer them fast. If you enjoy our video, leave a thumbs up and I see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.
and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like